women that you are feeling. And of course, the Karib Kalyan Anna Yojana is most popular scheme that is being implemented here. And almost we could see that more than 60% of the population in Tripura is the beneficiary under that Karib Kalyan Anna Yojana. And one woman who was literally crying, saying that during Corona Kal, it is because of the rice and wheat of the Honorable Prime Minister, our family was able to survive. And about vaccination and about the social pension scheme in particular, the amount now they are receiving around 2000 rupees per month. And the number of beneficiaries have also been increased. And this also the most popular yojana among the women in particular. Yes, apart from that, the free education for women in the government colleges. It is one of the very important scheme of the state government, providing free education for women for their entire life. Because of the assistance to their education, it is going to be changed. And around 55,000 girl children, they have got the bicycle. Bicycle, it is not an instrument for transportation. Any movement, any vehicle for a woman is a wing to their life. If they are having the wings, they need not depend anybody else. On their own, they can take that vehicle wherever they want to go, at whichever time they would like to travel. And the 33% reservation in the government jobs, and in particular the 10% reservation in the police force. When any women who are seeing any women constable or the police official in the police station, they are getting the confidence and the encouragement to tell about their issues. And the first women police station has been inaugurated by the Honorable Chief Minister recently in Tripura. And various women empowerment schemes being implemented here in the state, and as well as the central government sponsored schemes, whether it is a Poshan Abhiyan. See, around 28,000 women and children have benefited under the Poshan Abhiyan, and because of that the malnutrition has been decreased among the children by 8% and among the women by 3%. And media brothers, you are all knew about the increasing of the sex ratio of a women in this country. So first time after independence, like any developed countries, the India sex ratio has been increased. It is because of the various initiatives of the Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji, and as well as the movement he has been created, like a selfie with a daughter, and giving an opportunity to women in the ministry and as well as at the local body level. And our party is the only political party in India which gives 33% reservation in the organizational position. Even you can see that one of the general secretary of the party is a woman, our Papiya Dattaji. Like a first time in independent India, there are 11 ministers in the cabinet, in the ministry. And for a first citizen of this country, a Adivasi woman has been given an opportunity. Considering the basic amenities at the grassroots level to the women and involving the women at the policy making process, our party as well as our Honorable Prime Minister are giving a better platform to all the women of this country. Because of that, the confidence has been increased among the, particularly among the young women, opening up the defense services for women and the science sector, research, and under the Mudra loan, the major beneficiaries are women. Because of that, the self-employment, the entrepreneurial skills of the women have been improved. And whatever the amount that the women are getting in the family, it is completely being used for the welfare of the family. That is a very crucial factor for any women empowerment scheme. Under the Mudra scheme also, here the state has been in the forefront of giving lot of benefits to them. Under Ujjwala Yojana, there are 2.76 lakh women have been provided with the gas connection. And more importantly, Nowadays, we are all discussing about the crime against women in the state. Because of the stringent action of the state government, the law and order is under the control, and as well as 30% of the crime against women have been decreased. And one of the reason is the highest percentage of conviction in the state. Those are all the days when we were interacting with the women. They were saying that how the communists under the communist government, the political murders have been happened, and how the law and order situation was very bad in the state. And we are all preparing ourselves for the coming assembly election. On behalf of Mahila Morcha under the leadership of Jarna ji, our Mahila Morcha office bearers as well as the district units are getting activated, and every office bearer is being given a specific task of with the outreach program of Shakti Kendra Chai Pe Charcha kind of a program, and as well as interacting with the women beneficiary at the booth level. And more importantly, while doing this program, we are getting the suggestions, we are getting their opinion and their problems at the grassroots level. And Mahila Morcha is going to consolidate all the opinion or the suggestions or their issues to the state unit while preparing the manifesto for the election. We hope and we appeal to the state unit to consider all the Mahila issues to be addressed in the coming days. And one important thing that the market stalls, the 50% reservation for women have been given, and per capita income of the state has been significantly improved. Under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, 2.5 lakh citizens of this state have been given houses, and under Ayushman Bharat Yojana, it is an access to the better healthcare facility, 5 lakh rupees to be given for the entire family under Ayushman Bharat. Around 13 lakh citizens have been provided with Ayushman Bharat card. And for youth, 11 lakh youth has been provided under the loan under the Mudra scheme, PM Mudra scheme. Whether it is a central government scheme or the state government scheme, the BJP government in Tripura is in forefront in implementing and getting the major beneficiaries under the scheme. So with this I would like to conclude, and if at all you are having any questions, please you can ask that. And we are very much hopeful that in the past, whether it is a 5-state election before in UP or in Goa or in Manipur, even recently in Gujarat, we have seen that there are large number of women who have supported Bharatiya Janata Party. And slowly women of this country started believing that the BJP only can give them the better future and better environment for their life. So Tripura is no exception that Mahilas here, it is not only our Mahila Morcha unit. I could see that generally the women are so active and vibrant in the state of Tripura, and we are hopeful that women voters are going to be give their vote in favor of Bharatiya Janata Party. Thank you so much. Thank you, brothers.